Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Motion Ninja version and whether your account includes watermark-free export. Once done, duplicate the clip and save a backup so you never lose original footage. Then open the export panel and find the watermark toggle or ribbon that shows if watermark will be applied. You do this now to avoid redoing work later. Make sure to note any trial limitations or timestamps that indicate trial-only rendering. You should either purchase the premium upgrade or redeem your license code inside Motion Ninja. That is the supported way to remove the watermark. After purchasing, apply the license and sign out, then sign back in so the app refreshes permissions. If buying is not possible, you can mask, crop, or place a graphic overlay to hide the watermark. Note that this changes framing and may reduce resolution. Choose the path that preserves legal use and source quality. Now export at your target resolution and inspect the final file to confirm the watermark is gone. If the watermark remains, reopen the license section, reapply your purchase, clear the app cache, and restart Motion Ninja. That usually forces the change. If problems continue, re-export using a cropped or overlaid version as a temporary fix, and make sure bitrate and aspect ratio are acceptable. One key troubleshooting tip: check date and device time. License checks can fail if system time is incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.